What's up? And welcome to my channel, Marketing with Dom. Today I'm going to break down really quick and really simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how I use the tool so that I can get 2 to 3 times the amount of click-through rate on my YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to show you from creating a YouTube channel that was booming before to now growing it consistently now. How do you actually do that? And I'm going to show you the example and the tool that I'm using. Now, 2 things you can do for me is like the video as well as follow the channel so that I can continuously give this away for free, giving away all the AI juice that I use for my company, for my team, and for all my clients. And I'm going to show you the tool that I use right now. Okay, first of all, let's get in here. Let's share the screen. So if you're trying to grow your thumbnails and you're just like, oh man, this is extremely difficult, creating thumbnails are hard, your click-through ratio matters the most. All right, so we're going to go here. Let's go to share the screen because I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I'm not even going to hold it back. I'm going to give you a real-time example of the system and how I do that. Now, you want to say I'm rebuilding my channel right now, and I'll show you some of the clients I use, but I wanted to show you mine so you can see something I've had before. It had major views on my process, but now I'm regrowing the channel. One of the most important things is if they're actually going to give it traffic, how do you grow from where you're at to get people to click through the process? Now, I'm going to show you by example, and then I'm going to show you why certain things are certain ways, and you're going to really see that. So here we're going to look at engagement, right? So I think we're looking at reach, right? So we're looking at a click-through ratio of 0.1. So people see the video, I get 0.1 views, only got 21 views on this. This is me paying someone even more money than I should to get a graphic designer to be able to, get it. And then someone gave me this tool, and I released this one recently, and it says I got a 3.3 so far. Now, when I first launched the video and I pulled through, I got 14%. Now, the reason why this drop doesn't really matter to me is because this isn't a very searchable advertisement. Like, people aren't looking for this exactly. So the reason why the difference between like longevity is your SEO process, but we're going to talk about just the click-through rate here. The fact that when it first started, it got 14%. Now, the video is super long, so the more people it's going to show it to is based on their algorithm is showing it. But for me, it was about me dropping it, people seeing it, and people clicking on it immediately. And when you see this, honestly, it doesn't really even match the conversation that we're having because we're sitting there at a barbershop and the longevity of that isn't searchable on what we were talking about. It's kind of an open conversation. I spoke about all sorts of things. But now on YouTube, when you have a direct topic or someone you're trying to reach to, them clicking on the video, then getting exactly what you're trying to offer them matters. So I'm going to show you direct from the software that I use how I'm going to build one out right now, okay? So this is me talking about money in, money out marketing from one of my stages where I was actually keynoting at this event, which was pretty sick. And, social media is one thing, but also being able to get out in person and do it. And that's where I'm actually being able to really create movement. And now I'm going to go back to how I built my multi-million-dollar business originally when I had the channel popping and I had to rebrand it, everything, and redo it. And so now you're trying to up your thumbnails, right? So here's the software. It's called Thumbnail Creator. The link is down in the bio. Support your boy. It is an affiliate. The reason why I do that is so I can keep giving game for everything that I do for my clients as well. And I'll have longer form videos breaking it down inside my course, which you'll also be able to find it down, which will also be free, which you can tap into. So here's the simplicity of it. I'm going to actually drop the link here on the video, and I'm going to do standard flow. Now, a couple things that you have to do that I'll break down inside the course if you need it is how you kind of get everything basically started with your face on it and everything else like that. But so I have 2 different faces on it. This is my face, okay? So I'm creating this as my face. I want to continue down the process. I'm going to move to the next one, okay? It's as simple as this. If I had a product or something I wanted to put in here, I can put a product picture. Imagine if you're talking about something or your affiliate or something in there, you want to be able to put that. I don't have a product. I'm not talking about a product here. So I'm going to talk about a few different things in the process. How to hire a digital marketing team. So make the text big and make sure that it's poppable and very clickable, right? So I want to do that. It's going to save my face. Try a new flow on YouTube, and it does a couple different things for like frames and stuff like that. And I wanted to be able to create that. So I'm actually going to just analyze now my YouTube video. I put my brand and my face that I wanted on in there, and hopefully it may be able to use my YouTube video for descriptions. Help us understand your video more. Describe your video. In my video, I am talking about what it means to be able to create money in, money out with digital marketers. So it's asking me a little bit for understanding, and so I'm going to give this a little bit more understanding. It's going to analyze the video, it's going to put it together, and then it's going to create thumbnails. Now, the most important part about this is how good the graphics are when you're able to create using this tool. And then the ability to fix it and get it going. A lot of you have created YouTube videos that demand more, needs more opportunities, and you're not able to actually create it. And so for me, it was mostly about how can I create the opportunity in the business and move fast? Because hiring a graphic designer team is difficult. Trying to do it on Canva is even more difficult. And so how do you actually generate a thumbnail really quickly, depending on the tool you're using? You need a tool that analyzes YouTube and click-through ratios from other channels, and they're using it. And that's what it's able to do here. So it's going to take the time. It's going to be optimizing the page, and it's going to create a thumbnail in the process. Now, the really cool thing is you actually do not get charged on your credits for the generation. You get charged for the downloads. So let's say you keep trying to generate it and have to adjust it and have to adjust it. This also has a really good education program that breaks it down as well. But the reality is you want to be able to create something better than you would by yourself. And so this is the simplicity of how I do it, right? I showed you, hopefully while this is loading, we'll be able to look at a few things. This is the new one versus my old ones. Even these ones were pretty good, right? But the click-through ratio on some of these weren't that good. So let's see, I think I launched this one. This was the longer video. Let's see what this one did as a click-through ratio on this one. Let's see. So this was 0.8, right? Really cool. Generated. I think this might have been a live that I did, possibly. Is it a live? I don't know. Probably shot it in another system. Click-through ratio, average views, 6%. For a long video, got a subscriber, right? Longer videos generate more money, and that's why, you know, for 17 views, I generated $2. That's pretty powerful, guys. Like, you know, so when you create long form videos as well, really explaining things, I kind of broke down how I do SEO in the process. So we're here, money in, money out, how to hire a digital marketer, and strategies. So look, so this one I really like. So this one's a little bit more popping. Got my face on there, generated the video, strategies, human services, thumbnail, generate, hook, contained with more technical, how to hire a digital marketing team. So I kind of like it, but I don't really like it. And so I'm going to show you something from an aspect of a pure build out kind of generation idea. And so I'm going to go to, let's go here. So I'm going to go back. I don't really like that much. So I'm going to go back to start. And so I'm going to go to here. For free analytics. So let's go with this one. So I'm going to describe in text. Okay, I'm going to put my face on there, describe in text. We're going to get more credits used on this one. So let's do 4 versions. How to hire a digital marketing team, make it pop, very colorful. So I also have a brand that I want to use, the Marketing with Dom brand on here, and these are things and tools that you can use to do that. I'm going to use the credits to generate 4 of them on this one. So the cool thing is, the hardest part about it is the closer you are to the video, the more impact it's able to create. enhancing props, creating, more tools to be able to do that. You want to really get into how you describe it. Like I said, they also have an education program that kind of breaks it all down. And so you can create it from a prompt. If you need to create a dope prompt, you can possibly use ChatGPT in the system to be able to do the same thing. And sorry, my computer is extremely slow right now. So it's going to enhance the prompt based on what I said. And guess what? I don't think I really had a good prompt. So here we go. Hire or fire, hire or fire. Okay, so I like, let's say, I like this one a lot. So I'm going to go to Open Editor. And so I really like this one. This is based on my face, right? Took my images, I took a bunch of pictures straight up with my face, took it, generated this, made this a link. I actually really like this one. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to download it. Thumbnail, bam. I'm going to go to the YouTube channel. And I'm going to add it. So this one was one that was created based on the simplicity of a really tight video. And I think really tight videos make a difference. If I believe this video was a lot closer to me, it would have made it a lot easier, because face-based videos, first-person conversation type styles, way easier to be able to create. But also if you have images that you want to put on there, automatically you'll be able to do that. So we're going to go here, edit. I'm going to add it to the system right now. But tell me, this is what it is before. You can create automated generational ones that will have, you can even A/B test them, ones that you create yourself. I always say, probably should A/B test the process, upload 2 of them, A/B test them, see what's working out better. But, honestly, way better. Hire a digital marketing team, question mark. And so here's the thing about it. And this is what I would tell you is these videos that I'm even doing right now aren't made directly for YouTube. Okay. And so I'll even put up videos that aren't even directly made for YouTube. And what's the difference between a video that's made for YouTube and not? Purpose. Like, this video is made for YouTube. This is a purpose driven. I'm telling you, I can use SEO processes to be able to make sure this is search engineable in the process. And so when I'm shooting this and I put it back into the system, you're going to also see me probably do another video on this video to see the SEO do that, because we're going to double down on using AI tools to actually grow. So that's all I have for you guys in the channel. My course down below, like and subscribe. I want to continue to be able to do this stuff for free and not have to charge in the course. So the courses will be more in depth about each tool and systems. And if you just want to get straight to the tool, click the link down below and you can make it happen. I appreciate you guys for your time. And the support for you guys watching this video. And if you want to increase your click-through ratio when it comes to YouTube, this is exactly what you need. All right. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.